texture, density. It's synthetic. Like, wait, y'all see this hairline, honey? Janet.
Cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pata o plomo. Been taking that easy like poco a poco. So everything's sort of forgiven, so no. So trust and believe me, porque soy yo solo. We're not the same, stay out my lane. You out of pocket, been out of the frame. Your life is toxic, cause all of your topics are profit and losses and pain in the brain. Taking narcotics, maintaining the strain. Smoking exotics and popping champagne. I'm setting fire to every desire. Been burning no brighter than moss to a flame. Cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Never been rich, but I count my money. Smile on my face, cause it tastes like honey. Never let a bitch try to take something from me. And I never been a snitch, cause a snake can't run me. Hit him with the 44 times, put a hole in his mind, realign his whole spine. Call it ghost ride, that's a cold sign. Old time, he be lying on my name, I leave him lying in a coal mine. Damn it, you're handing me scissors. I'm cutting you off and disbanding the pictures and plans that we made, prices we paid. Thought you were a player, but shit, I'm the game. Don't blame me, I'm Monopoly. It's probably why ain't nobody stopping me. This ain't a stick up, so pick up the dice. Hiccup and get up or give up your life.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with a new unit. This one is from the Janet Melt collection. I'm wearing it in the style Juniper and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your 13x6 HD lace, honey. It does come pre-plucked. It does come with baby hairs, and girl, let me just come in and show y'all this hairline. Girl, Janet. So as y'all can see, this hairline is giving what it needs to be giving, girl. So the length on this unit is definitely on the longer side. I am 5'3" for reference. This is all the hair to the front, and this comes just below my boobs. The density on this unit is definitely around 130%. It's definitely a really natural density. It's not too thin though on my head. I feel like it's sitting pretty, honey. It's just enough hair to make you feel like you can still slay. You know, the texture on this is definitely more along the lines of a silky texture. I ain't mad at it though. The quality of the hair itself does feel really good. And with this length not being too long, I do feel like this is one that you could get away with wearing consistently. You probably will have to keep up with it and detangle it and all of that jazz. But this definitely is seeming like you can get like a nice long wear out of it, which I am here for. The cap size on this one is definitely coming off small and medium head friendly, not necessarily big head friendly, you guys. So I think if you do have a larger size head, definitely stray on the side of caution. My head is on the small to medium side, and this one is definitely fitting me very snug. I feel like if it was a little bit smaller, I wouldn't be able to work with it. This one you can also go in and add heat up to 360 degrees. I did go in and had a little heat to get it to lay just a little more flat. It was already flat straight out of the box, but I just wanted to get it a little more flat, and it took the heat well, so that was really good. So let's just pop into the cons and the pros of this unit. My only con with this unit would just be the little bits of tangling and shedding that I got with this unit. I actually didn't really get much shedding, but more along the lines of tangling. Nothing too crazy, but just something to note. And like I said, because the texture is on the silkier side, I don't see it lasting super long, but I also don't think that this is going to be a one and done type unit, so definitely just be aware of that. So my pros on this unit, girl, my pros are the hairline, the baby hairs, the HD lace, the 13x6 parting space. Like, can I come in and show you guys hairline again? Because girl, Janet, what are you doing to me? Yes, honey. Yes, Jenny. Yes, Jenny. Yes, you coming for it. You giving me everything that I'm looking for in a unit, honey. Cap construction, yes. Lace, yes. Baby hairs, yes. Body, texture, density, yes. Janet is giving what it is supposed to be giving, what it should be giving, what it shall be giving. So I am here for it, and I think you guys will be too. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you're trying to pick up and any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.